Good afternoon, sir. Happy Pongal.
Voice is not audible.
Ravi, not able to hear you.
Ravi, you are on mute.
Yeah, now everything is fine, friends. Still my voice is not audible to you.
Yeah, now it's clear.
Yeah,
Now audible.
Yeah, okay. So yesterday we seen that these things, right? Double quotes, single quotes, back trick in the string. How we are dealing with the strings, right? Come on, how we are formatting the strings, na? Come on, friends. So
Yes, Ravi.
we came on the point that is what string manipulation, right? That is nothing but what string handling now, guys. Okay, today let's see string handling. Today let's see string handling, how we are handling, how we are formatting our strings data in the TypeScript now, guys. So same like JavaScript only, same like JavaScript only, in the TypeScript also we are handling the data now, guys. Okay, we are handling the data now. So now let's start it. Let's start it now, guys. Okay, so now there are two methods is there, right? Two methods are there. What is that? One is the string manipulation. String manipulation, and another one is what? Another one is what? String formatting. String formatting. String formatting, right? String formatting now. So the same like how we are performing these things, how we are performing in the TypeScript, sorry, how we are doing like JavaScript, right? These things how we are handling in the JavaScript, same like we are handling in the TypeScript also, guys. Okay, so in the TypeScript in the TypeScript can use can use can use all JavaScript string function in the same way, same way with same syntax, with a same syntax and functionality is there. Functionality is there, right? Functionality is there now. So okay, fine now, guys. So what are those? So let's start first. Let's start with what? String manipulation, right? String manipulation. Good afternoon, Subhas. Okay, what is the comment? Subhas is giving good afternoon, Ravi. I am watching Spring Boot microservices course from your YouTube channel, and it's my First live session joining. Thanks for creating such fantastic course. Okay, thank you. Thank you. So,
Good afternoon. I'm
yeah.
Subhash Kumar, sir.
Yeah, Subhas.
Yes, sir. I am watching your Spring Boot microservices course,
Mm-hmm.
and such fantastic. I'm learning a lot. I'm
Very
using
good.
Apache.
Mm-hmm.
So currently I came to know that Angular course is going on. That's why
Yeah.
I have
Don't
joined.
worry about it. Yeah, that's the initial position. We are there in the initial part only, but after then, if you miss, still not it, we started Angular. All right. Before learning before learning Angular, we need to learn a string. Sorry, JavaScript. Sorry, TypeScript.
Uh, Actually, sir, I am already working in government sector.
Yeah.
So I previously I have developed a Spring Boot with time leaf. I have developed applications, but
Mm-hmm.
now I'm saying that we should go for API approach so that
Mm-hmm.
simultaneously application can be developed. That's why I felt need to learn Angular or React.js.
Don't worry, React.js also we will take the session. You are working in the government sector.
Perfect, because I have to choose just one. I
Okay.
don't need to
Very
learn both.
It's a nice things for us, okay? Because the people people is giving more priority to government sector people, right? So it's my pleasure. You are learning with
Actually, I'm
me.
see National Informatics Center. Already, I am Assistant Director IT.
Okay.
It is a government job.
Yeah. Okay, so it's an encouragement for us also. It's a really nice, okay, whatever our videos is there in the like whole market, right? You cannot find it. Even though whatever things with my experiences only, I'm like sharing these knowledge. Okay, so you are trusting us. That is a very big things, and even you are a governmented employee. I know that you did so much hard work. That is the reason you able to crack the government sectors software kind of things. So.
Yes,
Okay,
sir,
so yeah, so whatever your expectation is there, I will fulfill it. Okay, please be with us. If you are not there in our group, you can, right? Join us. Even whoever needy people is there, please tell them, right? They will get proper guidance in our group with as well as with our people. So we are not misguiding the people and the students, whatever like beginner and whatever those things. So just
I am watching your Spring Boot microservices course.
yeah.
You are guiding for.
Yeah, so watch it. By paying also you cannot get like that content and like that reality in the project, whatever really things is going on, those things only we are touching. Unnecessary things we are not like expending time in the content, right? Whatever unused things is there. So with very basic to very high level we are, even though we are designing level, we are understanding in the session itself only. No one can give the design, how, what is the good design, what is the bad design, how we design our object oriented programming in the project. So even morning 7 o'clock, project batch is also going on. Project batch also going on. If you want, you can join it. You will get
One small request.
Mhm.
Actually, I have to go to office even on Saturday sometimes. That's why I didn't join yesterday's session. So I was hoping that it would be uploaded in your YouTube channel, but I didn't
So
find it.
no, actually the thing is previously what I was doing. Actually, after completing my sessions, I was uploaded all videos on YouTube channel. But the thing is, all students is dependent on the YouTube only. No one is joining live session. So what I decided, I tell them, join the live session if you want. You can utilize my session. That is the free only. I will not charge anything. But if you want after that any recorded videos or anything, so those videos is available on YouTube channel. But those videos is private. If you give your email ID, on that email ID only, I will give the access permission. You can watch it. So, but the thing is, if you post of the session, if you want the video or anyone want, even though in the other countries the people is doing like this only, because in India, what is that here our timing is 2:11 p.m. is happening, right? In another countries, different timing is there. That is the reason those students is not able to join our session. So I said, simply I said that Kim, if you want the video, you can pay it. Simple funda,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So
Great, sir.
if anybody want later, guys, any videos, right, from the other countries, the people is doing like that. I'm taking the money. I'm not saying that I'm not. But the thing is, guys, if anybody want join the live session, I will not charge single rupees also. Even I will not tell also. Whoever want, for open for everyone. But the thing is, I cannot make the people who can become lazy, because laziness also kill sometimes the people. If the people is becoming lazy, right, the laziness will, everything will not come on the YouTube only. Just think about that. At the time of explanation, if you are getting the doubt, where you will ask? On the YouTube, if you are watching. If here, if you are
Yeah.
getting the, if you here you are getting, at least you can ask, right, Ravi, this problem is there, how I can resolve it.
Yes. Yes.
So the
Yes.
thing is, all videos is available. Even though my project video is also available on YouTube channel. 7 to 8 members taken, they paid money and they are watching those videos. So I given them permission. But the thing is, guys, only one thing, I will not charge anyone in the live session. But if anybody want recorded videos, sorry for that, I cannot help. I cannot play with the education, guys. Education is the weapon, right? Where people can build their life. If you are the educated, fully educated, if you are standing in the crowd of people, right, your respect will be the different. Your respect will be the different, guys. Okay, education is like that things which is the making the people person in the like in the multiple people gold, right? So the thing is,
Yes.
don't become
Thank you.
lazy, guys. Don't become lazy, guys. Okay, I'm not without a single expectation, with anyone. I'm giving my time, as well as I'm giving my good content to you people. Utilize it. Otherwise, if you miss it, no one can get. It's a challenge, guys. Okay, I'm spending a lot of time with the technology. Those with the 6 years of experience in the industry, also no one having like that knowledge.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, so utilize it. After, if anybody want recorded video, all videos is available. For that, pay it. Simple. Okay, so now let's start it, guys. Okay, let's start this. So same like what is that TypeScript can use all JavaScript functions in the same way with the same syntax, right? So now first let's start what is that, what are those functions, right? What are those functions? Let's understand, and let's understand those descriptions also. Let's understand those. Sunil, how much charge? Okay, charge will be the, okay, you can discuss as a privately, right? Charge, and based on that people and all those things. The simple is I'm charging for one course 5,000. Okay, like a recorded video if you want. Now string manipulation, right? String manipulation now. String, but the thing is that is the permanent access will be there with you. It's not meaning that 1 year or 2 year or 6 month access. If you are like paying that much, that fees will be the, you can access permanently those videos. It's not meaning that in the middle you cannot watch, or after some time or 6 months or 5 months, the expiry will come. No, that is a permanent access will be there. Now string manipulation, because in, guys, I'm also paying that cloud charges, right? If I'm not taking the cloud charges, then how the I cannot see. I can help the people, but it's not meaning that by putting myself in the problem only I can, right? That much like helping also not good for me only, right? So that is the reason, that is the cloud charge only, guys. Okay, that is the cloud charge only. Right now, string manipulation, what are those string manipulation now? So that is char string manipulation functions, right? So what is that? Char at function, char at function, right? What is another one? What is the another one? Second one is index of. Index of. Now another one is what? Another one is what is that? Last index of, right? Last index of. Last index of method, right? Function last index of function. Now okay, so same like what? Substring, right? Substring method, right? Sorry, function. Java thinks is coming. So, because in the JavaScript in the TypeScript we are saying that everything will be the function based, right? Now substring function, right? Substring function and now length function, right? Length function, like that. It's not meaning that these function only, multiple functions is there, which is the manipulating of what? String data, guys. Okay, which one? By taking those functions, what we are doing now, we are manipulating a strings data now. So same like what is that? String formatting functions also there. String formatting functions also there. What are those now? So string formatting functions are like string formatting functions used in TypeScript. What are those now? Now those are bold function, right? Bold function. Second one is what is that? Italic, right? Third one is what is that? Sub. Now fourth one is what is that? Subtract. Fifth one can be like, let's take font size also. Font size. Now another one is what is that? Font color, right? Font color. Now same like what is that? Two upper case, right? Two uppercase. Same like what is that? Two lowercase. Now like that, multiple functions will be there. Don't think about that this only, right? Don't think about that these only, right? So let's see that description about that, and we will see those things as a practically also, guys. Okay, we will see those things as a practically also. Now let's see that function and its a description. It's a description now. Okay, so let's take first one in the string manipulation. Let's take char at was there, right? So char at, what is the use of in the Java? People also knows that, right? Java people also knows that. So it return the character. It return the character as a specified, right? Specified index, right? Index. It's written, what is that? If any specify char at is returning, what is that? Any specify indexes numbers, right? Like specified index character. Now okay, we will see that we will construct one program, guys. We will see these things, right? Now another one is what we taken now. Another one we taken index of, right? Index of function, right? Index of function. What is the use of and how it's working now, guys? So it returns the index. It return the index number. It return the index number of index number of specified character in a string. In a string now. Okay, so another one is what? Index of which one is there? I forgot.
Index of.
Last index, right? Last index. Last index, right? Last index. Index of, last index of. What is the returning? What is the returning? This one is now. So it returns the last occurrence. Occurrence index number. Last index occurrence index number of specified character, right? Specified character. Now specified character. So now another one is what? Another one is substring, right? Another one is what? Substring. Now okay, so what is the use of substring and how it's working now, guys? How it's working now? It's it is used to extract the characters, right? Extract the characters based on specified index, values, right? Values. So now yeah, now another one is what? Another one is in the string manipulation. Which one is there now? Length, right? Length. Now length. What is the use of length now? It returns the total count of what is that? Count of characters, right? Total counts of characters. Now another one is what is that? One more. Let's take trim also. Frequently we will use in the program. Trim. Frequently we will use this one, this function also, right? This function also. So what is the use of now? So it is used to remove. What is the remove the leading spaces in a string, in a string, right? A string. So now the thing is, guys, okay, so index of is there and last index is there, right? Last index, these two functions will be there. Let's take in the note only. Let's take these things in the note format, right? So index of function and last index of, right, will what is that? Will return -1 if given characters characters is not found. If given characters is not found now, not found now. So let's, what we need to do now, let's do the practical on that. Let's see these things as a practically, guys. Okay, practically, whatever till now, whatever things we learn, right? Whatever things we learn now. Okay, now okay, so now here let's open our ID, Visual Studio ID now. Okay, so yesterday we are doing this one now. Okay, now let's take it. Now let's take in this one only. My system is hanging now. Okay, CD. Now let's take variable. Inside that variable we have, what is that? Primitive type, right? Now CD primitive type. Oh. That is types, right? Now clear. Okay, now let's develop a one program, right? Let's take one program. Inside that, what I'm taking now, let's take, I'm taking email, that is what? String type. I'm taking, that is what? String type. Inside that, just I'm specifying one email now, guys. Okay, email. Now Ravi @ gmail.com, gmail.com. Just for the, don't think about that, we are handling these things is coming here. Why I'm doing hard coded, guys? Because here there is no forms, right? Still we are not dealing with what? HTML things. So that is the reason I'm doing the hard code. But in the real project scenario, right, these things will come from the form. Now these things will come from the form. In the application we will validate. Wherever we will write the, we will do the programming, there we will validate. But the thing is here, just don't think about that, just think about that concept. On which concept I'm explaining, and why I'm explaining, and what is the use, right? What is the use now? So what is that? In this string, right, what I want to check @ and dot, right? I want to validate this email, right? So if we want to validate, then inside that we need to check what? We need to check @ symbol also, as well as what? Dot also. If those things is not there, our application will not accept. This email ID, right? Come on, please respond. The people are becoming totally silent. No one is giving responses today.
Yes.
Due
Yes,
to the
Ravi.
due to the
Yes,
Ugadi,
Ravi.
due to the Ugadi festival.
Pongal.
Sorry, Pongal, right?
Pongal.
Pongal,
Yes.
people is becoming lazy now after full stomach from morning to till now. It's
No.
okay. It's okay, guys. Be active, yeah. So like that energy by seeing you people, the people think about that, hey, our energy is only less compared to them. Let's make more energy. Let's put more energy to show them, right? Show them the think, right? So the thing is, guys, okay, until unless what? Until unless, right, if you are not showing the things, right? So like no one can, right? No one can expose ourselves also, right? If I'm thinking about that, like my energy only more than you people, then yeah, that's going on. If you are showing that, hey, my energy is less, let's increase it, the energy, people will hear our session more curious, sorry, more energetic, right? So show it, guys. Okay.
Yes, sir, Ravi.
Yeah.
Yes, Ravi.
Now let's start it, right? Let's start the things now, guys. Okay, so here what is that? So what I'm doing now, so here I want to check it. I want to check in this string what @ is there or not. So first, what is that? Based on that we will write the condition. So what I'm taking now, I'm taking let. Now I'm checking that what is that. Yeah, let's check @ position. Add POS, right? Add POS, POS, right? So I'm taking number, right? Number. So number. Now I want to check the index number of what? @ in which index? If this one is present, then what is that? Which function we will take it now? We will take email dot I want what? Email dot
Index.
index of inside that what we will do it now, @ we will take what? Right? Then what is that? Just simple, just I'm printing this one now, console dot log. And what I'm doing now, let's print it first. Okay, we will check it based on our explanation, it's working or not. Okay, now I'm taking here what? A string, sorry,
Yes.
TSC string
Any
type,
type.
right? String type dot TS. Now I compiled now. Now node, I'm taking what? Node. Now I'm taking a string type dot string type dot what? JS, right? JS. Now what is that? In which indexes? This one is available now. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So if you are considering these things now, let's open Notepad. Oh, sorry, Notepad, no, Paint, right? Just what I'm doing now, just I'm pasting these things now. Oh, this much big. Okay, so this is our email, right? Email now. So okay, so now this one is what? Now if you check it now, see here what is that? 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, right? 13. Come on. 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Yes,
7,
correct.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13, right? 13 indexes is there, right?
Yes.
Means what is that? 14 indexes is there, but we are considering these things as a zeroth, right? So 0. So in between, what is that? 4th we are getting, right? Means @ is available. Just assume that I'm removing this @ then what is the result? We will get it now, guys. What is the result? Means what just we seen that what we will get it now.
-1.
-1.
Yeah, -1. We will get what? -1. Now let's compile it. What we are getting now? Guys? minus
one.
-1.
-1, right? So now in the same like what is that? Same like now if we want in the character, right? In the character, now what is that? What is that? If we want to check the like dot, if we want to check the dot, and this dot should be the last occurrences, right? We will check these things in the lastly, guys. Okay, so for that, what we will do it now, let's take let's take dot pos